morning with this beautiful view. We slept in the most amazing scenery last night. It was so nice. Also very nice that we were off a campground in the wild. We enjoyed it so much, but it seems like I'm so used to the constant noise on the campground that I couldn't sleep last night. Probably because it was too quiet. Very weird, but nevertheless we had a beautiful breakfast here. And now it's still kind of foggy and you can't really see a lot, but we're headed towards the edge of the world, so-called edge of the world, and we are kind of worried that we're now a bit too early because it's only supposed to clear up in 3 or 4 hours. But let's see. If not, we have to have an extended lunch break over there. Let's go. In my opinion, the most beautiful stage of Portugal we've had so far. I think we will have a great view from the edge of the world. About 20 meters maybe? I just went food shopping. It's already so touristic. Many tourists, and it's very windy and cold. And we're now at the point where we drive 11 kilometers to get to the edge of the world and then drive those 11 kilometers back here and head from here to our campground. And since it's so cold and windy and so many tourists and cloudy, you can't even see anything, we decided to skip the end of the world. We're driving to the campground directly from here. This feels kind of repetitive. Pushing up the bike on sandy ground. Oh yeah. Not to mention that it's boiling hot. In the rare occasion where there actually is a bike path in Portugal, you will never find an easy ascent. It's always like that. This is the Eurovelo. It's so steep that I have to lean against my bike with my full body weight, because even with the brakes it just slips off the mountain. It's so steep. We're currently trying to phone the airline about our flight, which is in 1 week, well, 5 days. And we're waiting for confirmation if they can take the bikes on the plane. Good morning from Faro. We've been in Faro for 3 days already, slept in a forest close to the city. The only thing was we woke up in the middle of the night, every night, because it was smelling so bad, like burnt material. We were not sure if it's the forest burning, but we found out that there was those areas where they burn waste, you know, that was very close by. During the days we hid our stuff in the forest. Leute, wisst ihr, was wir machen? Das ist zu kriminell für YouTube, deswegen erzähle ich es nur euch. Wir haben hier letzte Nacht wild gezeltet in so einem Wald direkt vor Faro. Das ist irgendwie 4 Kilometer zum Flughafen und wir wollen diese Nacht nochmal wild zelten hier, weil es auf dem Campingplatz so scheiße ist, so laut und so teuer. Und jetzt wollen wir unsere Sachen in diesem Busch verstecken und dann mal gucken, ob die heute Abend noch da sind. Wir haben jetzt gerade mal ausgecheckt, ob es hier brennt, weil man riecht die ganze Zeit Feuer. Also wir haben heute Nacht auch aufgewacht, weil es nach Feuer gerochen hat. Wir mussten nicht evakuieren, aber da drin bleiben heute unsere Sachen. Mal gucken, ob sie heute Abend noch da sind. I'm now sitting outside of this hardware store. Alex is inside and he's getting us some cardboard boxes and some other material that we're going to need to package the bikes and also all of our belongings for the flight, because tomorrow we are flying to Athens. Whoa! Well, it's going to be 2 or 3 very exhausting days. We have to get to the campground because tonight we're staying at the campground that is closer to the airport, and we have to get the cardboard boxes for our bike. Then tomorrow we're flying to Paris, where we have a layover overnight. So we're going to stay 1 night in Paris. We booked a hotel next to the airport. Then we have to check out at 4 in the morning or 4:30 or 5 or something like this. In Athens, first we have to mount the bikes again. Alex is arriving. Let's see what he bought. Und 2 Kartons, Luftpolsterfolie, Verpackungsmaterial und Schnur. Sehr gut. Was hat's gekostet? 19 Euro. 19 Euro, okay. He got the boxes. The thing is, they're big and 1 box weighs 4 kilograms, but our bikes weigh 17 and we are only allowed 21 kilograms. Hello? How are we supposed to move that big chunk of cardboard to the airport? What? I mean, I don't know. This is a video how not to fly with your bike. Don't do it like we are. Having a weird construction going on. Woo. It's a long way to push the bike to the airport. Okay, I made it to the airport. Alex is running back to the campground. The boxes kind of dried. We hope we can use them. But now I have to sort through all of my stuff. Take this bag as my luggage with me on the plane. The other thing I'm going to drop to claim, and then yeah, I have to sort through everything. Super stressful. It's very crowded here, very loud, and not a lot of space. The airport's super small. Oh. Ist für die Airline. 4.5 hours later. first time in Paris. Woo! Leaving the airport, coming back in 6 hours. One night in Paris is over. Checked out of the hotel. It was nice to be in a real hotel room. That was so great. Although I couldn't sleep. Money was still not wasted because it was really nice laying in a bed. Oh, and taking a shower, a real shower. That was so amazing. And now we're walking to the next bus station. Headed back to the airport, trying to find a big coffee. And then hopping on the flight to Athens. Oder wie spricht man das aus auf Englisch? Athens? I don't know. Athen!